everyone has their own path. Everyone has their unique purpose. That's why social media, if alam mong insecure ka, huwag mo munang tignan. If you're in an insecure place right now, huwag ka munang tumingin. But if you know you're feeling good, sige, tingin. And one practice that I do, I practice being happy for others. May taong nakapagpagawa na ng bahay, masaya ako para sa kanila. Kasi, di ba? Kasi imagine what it took for them to get that. Ginagawa mo ba yun? Diba? So, huwag tayong mainggit, ma-inspire tayo. So, that's a practice that I do on social media. I scroll, but I make sure to be happy for them, and I like, and I leave positive comments. Kasi, you can't be happy for others if you're not happy for yourself. Eh? So, that's why you need your daily me time, your daily self-work practice,